Okay, this is the time to discuss about ISR motors. So that reason I am taking this ISR motors here for today discussion. Okay, this is the current market on ISR motors. This is the current price. What do you think about this? Is the downtrend in ISR motors nearly from 2017. This year is also falling. Okay, what's the current time? So split at this CR. So have a good demand for this CR and have we need to analyze and forecast about we can hold this CR or can we buy this ISR motors here. This is a time, good time or not. Okay, we have to discuss about that thing. Right. Okay. The monthly wise you can see this. This is the higher high after a higher low, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this is the timing of forming a lower high. Okay, lower high of the downtrend. Sometimes this can break this level and after forming a new high and the reversal of this downtrend. Okay, so we need to check that any possibilities of this uptrend or anything. Okay, we'll check with this Fibonacci retracement of this nearly the current market. This is didn't touch this 0.5, but the previous market normally touch nearly 0.5 to 0.78. So this market also have a chance to touch 0.61. We will consider this market can go up nearly 0.618. Okay, we will analyze that this market can reach this 0.618. Okay, so I need to draw that a box of 0.618. So current market. Okay, so this market we need to check that this have a chance. So how can we check that? We need to go to the multi-time frame analysis. That is the we need to go for the lower time frame. Okay, what is the lower time frame for this monthly chart? That is daily chart. So we need to click the daily chart, and these are the all lines I also drawn because these are the support and resistance on the blue lines are on support resistance on daily chart and red lines are support and resistance on monthly chart. Okay, so the current market and nearly the current market support and resistance, these are the resistance on the current market, the 3 lines on resistance and 2 lines on support. Okay, for the current market. Okay, so in the current market this is the consolidation area. Normally the consolidation area is forming in a trend reversal. Okay, why this forming in this area? Because monthly have these 3 candles are forming in a correction period. Okay, normally this is the forming a lower low and after this lower high, the lower high forming timing is all 3 candles are for the correction. Normally every day this is the uptrend, so this is the uptrend and this is the small correction after going to uptrend. After small correction, these are the normally we are calling this is a correction. So the daily chart that we can see that thing, this is the consolidation. So this market have a chance to go up, more up. Okay, so we need to confirm that. How can we confirm this is have a chance to go up or not? Okay, so first of all this is the previous resistance. So current market need to break this resistance. After we can check this market can have a chance to go up or not. So we need to use this Fibonacci extension. How to use Fibonacci extension? The previous market, the previous swing after, you need to touch this current swing and we can get the target. Normally the extension targets are, first target is 0.618 and second target is 1 and third target is 1.618. So the current market is can have a chance to hit this target 0.618, okay, because that nearly need to break this resistance. After this is possible to come to this level, okay. This level, what is the price? 18,695, okay, 18,695. we need to come to the monthly chart. What is this length? Okay, nearly the 18,900 is in between this, the blue rectangular box, okay. What does this mean? We also are considering on correction can go up nearly this 19,000. so in our daily chart also have a chance to go up more up nearly 18,695 and also have a resistance nearly 18,834. so the current market can reach this target, okay. So first of all you need to confirm by this resistance breakout after market can reach this level, okay. Thank you, and you can go for the own analysis, and again you need to analyze, and after you can go for the trade, okay. And somebody are holding this Kaiser Motors here, and after you can hold for long time. I think nearly you need to check where how can this market is play, okay. And after you can hold this share for long time, and please subscribe this channel and for more videos like this, then we can analyze only technical wise, okay. And like this video and share this video, okay. Thank you.